Looky, looky, it's November Sketchbox. Woo! Let's get into it. Guess I don't need to cut this because it was already opened again. I don't know what's up with my post office. Alright. Oh, here's a cute sticker. That is a really cute one. Different than usual. Okay, what is this? What is this? Oh, what? This is a type of gouache. Wow, I've never seen anything like this before. This is exciting. I'm gonna have to get more information on the menu about that. I have another little gouache. It's a yellow ochre. This is a Holbein. That is awesome. Ivory black. Prussian blue. Let's get rid of these noodles. And also burnt sienna. All the same kind. That's exciting. Whee! What do we got here? A Tombow water brush. Excellent. I'll try not to destroy this one like I did last time. What is this? Ooh, my favorite kind of paper. Yeah! Okay. This is a Hennemule. I'm not sure how to say it, as usual. This is a watercolor postcards. Yeah! Yeah! I am super excited about this. Oh, there's another guy in here. Leaf green. Yes! And let's move this. Postcard from an artist, Aaron Macamanes. I'm so bad at that. Okay, so let's look at the menu here. So we got 5 Holbein Artist Gouache. Retail price $5.95 each. So that is really exciting there. Royal Talon's Extra Fine Gouache Bottle, 16 milliliters. Retail price $7.95. That's what this is. Let's see. To expand your landscape palette, we include a 16 milliliter bottle of gouache from Royal Talons. We love this extra fine quality gouache for its ease of use due to the bottle format and quality of binding agents that allow for transparent washes as well as bold color blocking. This is very interesting. I'm very excited about that. And then we got the medium water brush, retail price $6.99, and then this watercolor postcard pack that is retail price $11.29. So let's paint something. Okay, I decided to do some autumn leaves because, you know, it's the time of year and I just kind of get obsessed with them. Not only that, but these colors kind of go along with them, except the blue and this red violet. So I'll figure out a way to include that. But so I went outside and I found this leaf, and I have this one, and also this little guy. So I'm just going to sit these around where you probably won't be able to see them, but I'm sorry about that. And do a postcard. Now this paper, this is a watercolor paper, but it says it's rough, which is a very different than my sketchbooks. So yes, I love this type of paper, but I've never used the rough version, so I'm excited to try that. And look, it's a postcard and it has the space to write stuff on the other side. So I'm gonna tear this out. Wow, not easy to tear out. I think I'm gonna cut it out. Maybe you're not supposed to cut it out before you use it. I don't know, but I don't like having the chance of getting it on the sides. So I'm just gonna sit that over to the side. Okay. So if this is a postcard and I'm gonna send it to someone, I think I'm just gonna do a couple of leaves and leave a spot here for, you know, if it's their birthday or if it's a thank you note, I can write whatever is appropriate there. Actually, I think I want to use this leaf as my guide. It's not gonna be a perfect thing, obviously, because this leaf is gigantic and I'm gonna have to make it smaller, and I will just kind of use it as a reference. Alright, so first things first, I had to sketch out the leaves. I always use an H pencil because I like it to be very light whenever I sketch, especially for when I plan on doing watercolor or gouache over. I don't know, instead of having to erase it a lot, I just use an H pencil because it's hard and it never gets too dark. So I've used a lot of different kinds of gouache through the years. I started out with the really cheap Reeves set. Through the years I've used some other ones like Holbein, obviously, and I think they're all really good. I mean, the Reeves one, I could tell the quality was a little bit lower, but I don't really honestly think there's a really huge difference between them. Not so much that I really want to pay a huge amount of difference just to get the more expensive ones. Now, I'm sure there's gouache that's even more expensive, but I've never tried it. So maybe that's the level I need to try for it to blow me away. But I am a big fan of Holbein all across the board. I love their water-soluble oils especially. But now I have several gouaches by them, and I think they're great. Oh, so this is kind of funny. The first half of the video, I totally forgot about the water brush, and I used my own brushes. And then I was like, I forgot. So I started to use it, and for the rest of the video, I will use that brush, which I thought was a good brush. It's about the same as any other water brush I've had. The water comes out nice and smooth, and yeah, I was happy with the bristles and all that jazz. So the only color I had left was the red violet in the little bottle, so I decided to use that as the background. Now, I'm telling you, I did not like using the water brush to fill in this huge space. It was not very fun, and I typically would not use that for something like that. But I thought, especially since I skipped out on using it in the first half, I better go along with it. But otherwise, it was great. I thought the paper was pretty good. I think I prefer the smoother paper that like I have in my sketchbook, but no real reason. I don't know. It was good. It was great. I loved it. Love everything about it. I love this box. That's why I ordered it, actually. I don't have a current Sketchbox subscription ongoing right now, but when I saw it was going to be gouache, I had to order it because paint is my medium, okay? Any wet media, really. So I was pretty happy the way this turned out. It'll make a nice card to send to someone in the very near future. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Please like and leave me a comment. Check out my other links as well. I am on Patreon, and I recently posted a Paint With Me tutorial of a different watercolor autumn leaf. And I will be doing more of those in the future, and I would love to see you there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!